Hi, it is time for another Skill Houses challenge video, but this time we've gone bigger and better. Bigger how? It's not just people from Team Beer Biceps, but we've called people from our audience to come participate. And how better? Well, there's a twist. These guys don't know what their challenge is. Let's go have some fun. All of you all have to create and then present, not create like shoot, but at least in your heads create a concept, your first YouTube video. And then everyone comes and presents it. And then we will have a jury that will judge and give feedback. I know everyone comes with their own niche. Someone has a podcast, someone is a videographer, someone's into spirituality. But for now, forget about what you do. It's going to be a common topic for all of you all. The topic is going to be a day in your life. Okay, the day in your respective lives. I'm going to talk about the process we use to start with a YouTube video, and I'll send the format to each one of you all. आपको बस वो format follow करना है and create your own first YouTube video. It's the thumbnail, title and trailer strategy. So even before we think of a YouTube video, we think of the thumbnail title first. Second will be what is the thumbnail, what will the image be. Y'all can draw if you feel like it. Y'all can use AI if you feel like it, like create an AI generated image. Also, you have your phones, you have the studio, you have the office, you can actually shoot if you feel like it. Third T is your trailer. The trailer is extremely important. So that's your TTT. Once we are done with that, now how will your video be like? So you all will have to script a YouTube video properly. Now that doesn't mean writing like words, but the flow will have to be done, and that's what you will have to come and present. Clear? Okay, I'm excited to see like day in the lives of all of you guys. People travel from all across cities just to be a part of this. The challenge, a massive hit. From brainstorming YouTube video ideas to creating thumbnails on the spot, everyone was locked in. They helped each other. They asked the smartest questions to Harsh, Rajas, and of course, Manish sir, the most in-demand mentor of the day.
So we're at the Beer Biceps office today, and it's been like an extraordinary experience for us.
It's like a dream come true moment for me.
I'm so excited to be here to learn new things from all the team members behind the cameras that we usually don't meet.
And we've been given a pretty interesting challenge.
It is very creatively challenging.
So we need to shoot a day in our life videos.
I did not know that I could come up with something like that. I'm trying to do my best in this project.
I'm writing the thumbnail, title, everything.
I'm loving the vibe here. I'm loving the connections I'm making here.
जैसे ही मैं इस ऑफिस में आई हूँ, it was filled with creative energy and creative people all around.
It's really a good learning. We are working on a project.
And we are all working on that.
I'm excited कि कैसा output निकलता है उसका.
And I hope the team loves it.
So let's see how it goes.
This event, something else entirely. As the host, I had a front row seat to all the madness, energy, creativity, learning, and genuine hustle.
So this is my thumbnail. So the thumbnail would be a day in a life of a food blogger.
तो जैसे मेरा content is around love and relationship. तो मैं day in a life दिखा रहा हूँ where मेरी जो girlfriend थी, she's no more in the world, and मैं पहला दिन दिखा रहा हूँ of how I'm surviving without her.
मेरी जो वीडियो है वो एक कॉमेडी पे है, थोड़ा सा सस्पेंस भी है और मैजिक है, बेसिकली VFX मैजिक्स जो होते हैं. तो मैंने इस पे टाइटल लिखा है रेंडर और सरेंडर. ओके.
ट्रेलर इज एनर्जेटिक साउंड. बी रोल्स सबसे पहले आएगा स्ट्रीट फूड, कोजी कैफे, फाइन डाइन रेस्टोरेंट, एंड देन ये दिखा बी रोल्स, एंड देन फिर मैं आऊँगा स्क्रीन पे एंड बोलूँगा सो डू यू थिंक बीइंग अ फूड ब्लॉगर इजी? लेट्स सी.
The cupboard still smells like her. Her phone is there on the bed ringing as if she might just come and pick it up right now. So this is the idea, the emotions that I want to portray through the video.
कट टू. सो मैं टॉयलेट में बैठा हूँ क्योंकि पेट खराब होता है इतना बाहर का खा के. सो आई विल स्टार्ट विद दिस.
तो सीन 1 शुरू होता है. लड़की सो रही होती है, मतलब मैं सो रही होती हूँ. टॉप पे अलार्म क्लॉक रहता है, वो बजता है, वो उठती है और अलार्म क्लॉक को ऐसे लेती है और वो यूँ पेपर से थ्रो कर देती है. मतलब वॉच एक पेपर में कन्वर्ट हो गई. ओके.
देन ऑन ग्राउंड फूड ब्लॉगिंग होगा. तो we'll start with street food. तो उसमें रहेगा voice over रहेगा, B-roll shots रहेंगे.
There are more shots of me around the house, me sitting somewhere, me crying, I'm not able to eat food, me looking at the window and just thinking about her. So that is the whole idea of the trailer. So the whole day of me surviving without my girlfriend in the house.
I hope this is fictional, like everything.
सारे क्लाइंट्स के मेल्स फेल्स आते रहते हैं तो वो अपने हाथ से ऐसे ऐसे यूं करके रिमूव करती रहती है.
प्लानिंग एंड टीम मीट दिखाया मैंने मेरी टीम के साथ, हम लोग डिस्कशन वगैरह कर रहे हैं.
The video is a combination of voiceover and me directly speaking on the camera.
लास्ट शॉट वुड बी ऑफ द वीडियो. स्माइल करते करते सो चुका हूँ एंड मेरे फोन पे नोटिफिकेशन लाइक्स वगैरह चालू है. पैसिव इनकम, व्हाइल यू आर स्लीपिंग यू आर अर्निंग.
This is just one video. In case I have to make a series out of this, I will name this as day 1 of me coping up with things. Second day, third day, maybe third day I'm traveling to heal from those things. I'm taking therapy and all of those things.
5 बजे फिर फ़ोन बस करता है और वो मतलब टॉप शॉट रहेगा, फ़ोन बस करेगा और पूरा ब्लैकआउट हो जाएगा और उस पर स्क्रीन पे टेक्स्ट आएगा कि व्हाट डू यू थिंक, रेंडर और सरेंडर.
Every conversation, every pitch, every feedback session was just pure gold. Before we picked a winner, our team had a long, intense discussion because honestly, everyone was so good and so close to winning. But one entry stood out. A creator who flew in all the way from Bangalore and presented a day in the life at Google.
Yeah, so I already shot a day in my life video, but I am only on Instagram these days.
This is a day in my life, working as a software engineer at Google. A good day starts with a good workout, and a good workout means chest day. I ended my workout with a 15-minute incline walk session to burn some excess calories. Post which, I took a quick shower and headed over for breakfast. Being a vegetarian, I try to include some protein in all my meals. Then, I went to my desk to officially start my workday. I like to keep a 3-hour focus time slot in the morning. For instance, today I submitted a couple of ongoing PRs and reviewed a design doc shared by my teammate. I was also lucky enough to get 10 minutes in the music room. I was pretty full from breakfast, so had a quick lunch with my teammates and rushed for my meeting, where I discussed a design I was working on with my team. The rest of the evening, I spent another couple of hours to complete my work for the day. Before going back, I headed over to the micro kitchen where I grabbed a protein bar, a snack I had while walking back home. I must admit that I don't have much social interactions on weekdays, but I try to make up for it by playing Fortnite with my friends online. And I finally ended my day by planning the videos I have to post for the coming week.
Yeah, coming to how I'll do it on YouTube, right? If I had an opportunity. The thing I hate about a day in my life at Google videos is that it feels very boastful. I hate that. I never want to glamorize my life and just show off, right? But I still want to share. So I took a persona, and that persona is of a person who will be very happy with my success. And that is my mom. She's curious to know what's going on. What's your day in like? It also creates an emotional connect with the audience. Instead of me narrating what I'm doing, which is very obvious and silly, I'll convert it into a conversation. So yeah, that's how I'm gonna shoot my video.
The concept was just something that took it all. It was smart, crisp, and crazy creative.
Hey everyone, I am Rishad Gupta. I make real inspirational storytelling content on Instagram. So all of us gave our presentation, and when they announced the results, I had won. And this was huge for me, to be in a room of professional creators, to be judged by people who understand content in and out, and to hear my name. It was incredible. Incredible because I've been creating content every single day without much recognition, with no friends to discuss it with, just for the pure love of the craft. I'm so grateful to the Beer Biceps team, so grateful to the universe for presenting me this opportunity.
Each participant presented their YouTube idea and thumbnail live. They received real-time feedback from the mentors and transformed the studio into a powerhouse of learning. The event began with Manish sir setting the tone and ended with people clicking selfies in the same studio where Ranveer shoots all of his podcast episodes. One day, one challenge, infinite ideas. This was a day to remember. So the day is done, everyone is out now, everyone's busy networking, and I think everyone will go get food. But it was such a successful day. On account of social media day, हमको बस लगा we'll call everyone, host a little event, make a challenge out of it, and I hope it inspired you to start your own YouTube channels. And going forward, हम ऐसे events काफ़ी करते रहेंगे in office. If you want to be a part of one of those, the link will be in the description. And hope you had a lot of fun. Like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next video.